back to relations and functions. In this topic, we are dealing exercise 1.3. Coming to the next problem. Consider the function. That function is f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Now, this function we have to prove or we have to show that function is invertible. And next we have to find the inverse of f. How to prove it is invertible? There is a condition here. When inverse will be exist, when it is bijective, when the function is bijective, when this is both 1 1 and on. When that function is both 1 1 and on 2, then it is bijective. When the function is bijective, then it is inverse exists. When inverse exists, then we can find inverse. So, to find inverse, first we have to check inverse exists or not. How to check that one? That function must be bijective. When the function is bijective, when the function is both 1 1 and on 2. That's why first I am checking 1 1 condition, next I am checking on 2 condition. One. What is the 1 1 condition? I have to take two values, that is x1 comma x2 belongs to from the domain. What is the domain here? Real numbers, and the codomain also real numbers. So in the domain I am taking the values, that is x1 comma x2 belongs to R. Now what is the f of x is? F of x is 4x plus 3. Now which condition we have to take? We have to take the condition. What is the condition is? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 we have to take. By taking this condition, if the answer is x1 equal to x2, then we can say f is 1 1. So I am writing here f of x1. What is the action f of x is 4x plus 3. Now f of x1 is 4x1 plus 3. Just in place of x is x1. Now what is the f of x2 is, just in place of x is x2. That is 4x2 plus 3. Now what is the condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So equate these two functions. That is 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. Now 3 get cancelled. Next, what is the remaining here? 4x1 is equal to 4x2. So 4 get cancelled. Finally, x1 equal to x2. What you took the condition? F of x1 equal to f of x2. And finally we got x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1 function. F is 1 1 function. Now, what about the onto? Coming for the onto. See here. What is the function is, given function is f of x equal to 4x plus 3. This function I am taking as 1. I am taking as 1. Now equate these. That is y equal to 4x plus 3. Now from this expression, find x value in terms of y. That is, send this 3 to this side. That is, y minus 3 is equal to 4x, or you can write 4x is equal to y minus 3. Now what is the x value is? X value is y minus 3 by 4. Now substitute this x value in the given f of x. If the answer is y, then we can say f is onto. So what is the f of x? I am writing here 4x plus 3. So in place of x I am writing what is the x value in terms of y? That is y minus 3 by 4. Substitute here also 4 into y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. Once check here, what is the x value? I wrote here. Okay. Now we have to simplify this one. If the answer is y, then f is onto. Now here 4 get cancelled. Remaining is y minus 3 plus 3. 3 get cancelled. Answer is y. That is f of y minus 3 by 4 is equal to answer is y. Therefore f is onto function. This is the f is onto function. See once again. This is actually 5 marks problem in board exam. This is the most important problem. What we have to do here? The function is invertible. For that one, first I am checking 1 condition, onto condition. Now this is both 1 and onto. Now what you can say when it is both 1 and onto? Then it is bijective. That one I am writing here. Therefore, f is 1 and onto. Therefore, f is bijective. Hence, inverse of f exists. This sentence compulsory we have to write. For this sentence, we have 1 mark in the board exam. Out of 5 marks, this sentence, that is f is 1 and onto, f is bijective, hence inverse of f exists. For this one, there is a 1 mark. So next, after existing of inverse, we have to find the inverse of f. So I am taking heading is finding f inverse. Now see, what is the given function is f of x equal to, what is the function? 4x plus 3. This function take as y. Now equate these two. That is y equal to f of x. Next, send this f to this side. Then it will be f inverse. That is f inverse of y is equal to x. From this one, x equal to f inverse of y. Say this is equation 1. Next, take these two. It is y equal to 4x plus 3. Now from this expression, find x value in terms of y. That is, send 3 to the side. That is y minus 3 is equal to 4x, or 4x equal to y minus 3. From this one, x equal to y minus 3 by 4. Okay. Now see, I am saying this equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. See here. In the equation 1, what is LHS part is x. In the equation 2, LHS part is x. So both LHS parts are equal. Now you can equate RHS parts. So what is the RHS part here? F inverse of y is equal to, here RHS part is y minus 3 by 4. Now this F inverse is in terms of y. Now finally we have to convert in terms of x. That means just in place of y, just write down x. That is F inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 by 4. This is the F inverse. Okay. Coming to the next column, 8th one. Now the given function is x square plus 4. Now we have to prove this is invertible and we have to find the inverse also. Same as previous problem. And this problem also for 5 marks in the board exam. Now see here. To show the function f is invertible, first we have to check it is bijective or not. How to check bijective? We have to check it is 1 1 and on 2. That's why I am taking first 1 1. Now in the 1 1 I have to choose two values x1 comma x2 from the domain. What is the domain here? R plus. R plus means, remember here careful, positive real numbers only. There is no negative values. It is only positive real numbers. Okay. Now, what is the condition is? Condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Now here, what is the f of x actually? F of x is x square plus 4. X square plus 4. Now what is the f of x1 is? F of x1 is x1 square plus 4. Next, f of x2 is x2 square plus 4. Now take the condition. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Equate these two functions. That is x1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4. 4 get cancelled. Now what is remaining here? x1 square is equal to x2 square. Now what is the x1 actually? We have to write actually plus or minus x2. But here x1 comma x2 belongs to which one? R plus, positive real numbers. There is no negative values. That means don't take minus. You have to take only positive, that is plus only. That's why x1 is equal to plus x2. Therefore f is 1 1 function. F is 1 1 function. Now I am checking about onto. What about the onto function? Now see, I am taking the function, given function as y. That function is x square plus 4. Now take this y equal to x square plus 4. That is y equal to x square plus 4. From this expression, we have to find x value in terms of y. That is, send 4 to the side. Y minus 4 equal to x square. From this one, what is the x value is? Root of y minus 4. Now take the function f of x. F of x is x square plus 4. Now substitute here x value. What is the x value? Substitute here. Answer should be y. If the answer is y, then we can say f is onto. f of what is x value is root of y minus 4. It is equal to, in place of x is root of y minus 4. Root of y minus 4, there is x square, that's why square plus 4. Now 2 root cancel. Now what is the remaining here? Y minus 4 plus 4. Now 4 get cancel. Remaining is 1. F of root of y minus 4 equal to 1. Therefore, f is onto function. This is the 1 1 and onto. When the function is both 1 1 onto, then what you can say? F is bijective. That one you have to write clearly. Therefore, f is 1 1 and onto. Therefore, f is bijective. When f is bijective, then inverse exists. Hence, inverse of f exists. Now we have to find the inverse. Then we have to show this one. F inverse of y equal to root of y minus 4. So how to find inverse? Finding f inverse. Same as previous. Take the function. What is the function is here? X square plus 4. That function take as y. Now equate these two. That is y equal to f of x. From this one, send f to this side. Then it will be f inverse. That is f inverse of y is equal to x. From this one, x equal to f inverse of y. So it is equation 1 or expression 1. Next, take these two functions. That is y equal to x square plus 4. Now, from this expression, find x value in terms of y. That is y minus 4, it will be 4. Minus 4 equal to x square, or x square equal to y minus 4. From this one, x equal to root of y minus 4. I am saying it is expression 2 or equation 2. Now see here, from equation 1 and 2, both LHS parts are the same. Now we have to equate the RHS part. That is from equation 1 and 2. What you can write? LHS part is f inverse of y is equal to root of y minus 4. So you got this one. If you want more, you can convert into x terms also. That is f inverse of x is root of x minus 4. That is the f inverse. Showing invertible, it is finding f inverse. Coming to the next problem is, and this is the most important problem. When the given function is f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5, we have to show that function is invertible. So, as usual, first I am checking 1 1. Why I am checking 1 1? To show invertible, we have to show that function is bijective. How to show it is bijective? The function should be both 1 1 and onto. That's why I am checking. First condition is 1 1. Now in this one, I am choosing two values, that is x1 comma x2 belongs to the domain. What is the domain is R plus. What is R plus means? Positive real numbers. Remember this one. Have to take only positive values. Don't take negative values. That means there is no minus, only plus. Now see here. What is the f of x is? F of x is 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Now what is the condition actually? Condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2 we have to take. Finally we have to get the answer is x1 equal to x2. So now what is the f of x1? See here, it is the f of x. It is the f of x1. That means in place of x we have to write x1. So here also in place of x we have to write x1. That is 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5. Next, what about the f of x2? F of x2. Same, in place of x we have to write x2. That is 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. Now equate these two functions. Because the condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That is 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 is equal to 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. Now on the both sides minus 5 get cancelled. Now what is the remaining is 9x2 square plus 6x2. Send these two terms to the side. That is 9x1 square plus 6x1. Send these two terms to the side. That is minus 9x2 square. It is plus will be minus 6x2 equal to 0. Now here, in the two terms, this term and this term, 9 is common. I am taking 9 is common. That is x1 square minus x2 square. Next, in the remaining these two terms, the common term is 6 plus 6 I am taking common. That is x1 minus x2. Here minus and x2 is equal to 0. Now here, this is a square minus b square. How to write a square minus b square? That is a plus b into a minus b. That's why I am adding here 9 into x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2. Next, plus 6 into x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. In the next one, in the two terms, what is the common term? See here. Here x1 minus x2, here also x1 minus x2. That is the common term. So I am taking the common is x1 minus x2 is the common term. Now what is remaining here? A 9 is remaining. 9 is remaining. And x1 plus x2 also remaining. x1 plus x2. Next, plus here x1 minus x2 is common. Now remaining is plus 6 is equal to 0. Now see, I am writing this is x1 minus x2 into, multiply this is inside, that is 9x1 plus 9x2 plus 6 into 6 equal to 0. Now see here, Suppose a into b is equal to 0. Means what is the meaning? Either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Either a is 0 or b is 0. In the same way, just imagine it is a, it is b. Either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Just see here, what is the x1 comma x2 belongs to R plus. That means x1, x2 are the positive. x1, x2 are the positive. When x1, x2 are positive, is the expression is going to be 0? Never. It is not going to be 0. Since x1 comma x2 belongs to R plus, so 9x1 plus 9x2 plus 6 not equal to 0. So this is not equal to 0. Then which is 0? x1 minus x2 is 0. That is x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. When x1 minus x2 equal to 0, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 function. In this way, f is 1 function. Otherwise, you can write it here x1 minus x2 equal to 0 or 9x1 plus 9x2 plus 6 equal to 0. In the both of them, which is 0? It is not possible to make 0 because x1, x2 are positive. When x1, x2 are positive, this expression never will be 0. It is never it is equal to 0. That's why it is not equal to 0. That's why what is the second one is x1 minus x2. That should be 0. That's why f is 1 function. Next, what about the onto function? For the onto function, what is the actual process is? We have to take the function. What is the function? F of x equal to, what is the function is 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Take this function as y. From the three terms, here there are three terms are there, y, f of x and 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Out of three terms, take these two terms. It is y equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Now, from this expression, we have to find x value in terms of y. Okay? But here, as previously, 4x plus 3, that function is in the polynomial function in degree of 1. But it is the degree of 2. That's why I want to make this is perfect square. That is, see here carefully. This 9x square I am adding as 3x whole square. 9 how to write? 3 square. Or I am adding again 9 I am adding as 3 square x square plus 6x minus 5. Now see, this is a square b square. Now it is ab whole square. That is 3x whole square plus, here see carefully, it is a square. I am converting this one into plus 2ab plus b square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the formula? A plus b whole square. Now see here, it is the a square. Now what is the a value is? A value is 3x. So 2 is same here. What is the a value is? 3x. So 2 into 3, 6x already got. Now what about the b? Here I am writing as 1. See here, a square plus 2ab plus b square format we have to write. For that one, once check here. What is the a means? 3x. A square is 3x whole square. A value is 3x. Now 2 is same 2. Now what is the a value is 3x. 2 into 3, 6x you got. But here we have to write b value also. So already you got 6x, that's why I am writing here 1. Now what is the b value now? 1. So I am adding here. Extra term is b square is 1 square. I wrote extra. That's why I am subtracting 1 square. Next remaining is minus 5. Now observe from this term to this term. A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the formula? A plus b whole square. So what is the a? 3x plus what is the b is 1 whole square. Now what about this term is? It is minus 1 minus 5. That is 3x plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6, which is equal to y. Now here send 6 to this side. So it will be y plus 6 equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. Now from this one, what is the value of 3x plus 1 is? It is root of y plus 6. Next send 1 to this side. That is 3x equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1. Now what is the x value now? X equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Now we got the x value in terms of y. Now we have to substitute x value in the given function. What is the function now? F of x is, now f of x is 9x square plus 6x minus 5. This function we converted as, how we converted? Like this one. That is 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. If you simplify, you will get same answer. These both are same. That's why I am taking this function. That is f of x equal to 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Now, in this function, just substitute x value this entire thing. Now, if you simplify, the answer should be y. Then we can say f is onto. Now here, f of what is the x value is root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 is equal to. Now see here carefully. It is 3 starting. What is the x value? This is the x value. This x value I write in the place of this one. That is 3 into x value I am adding root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. 3x complete. Next plus 1. Plus 1. Next whole square. Next minus 6. 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Now see here. Here 3 get cancelled. Now what is the remaining is root of y plus 6 minus 1. Here it is plus 1 whole square minus 6. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Now it is root of y plus 6 whole square minus 6 root 2 get cancelled. Now remaining is y plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled. Answer is y. When the answer is y, what you can say? Therefore f is onto. Now f is both 1 1 and onto. Now what you can say? F is bijective. Now we have to write f is 1 1 and on to, therefore f is bijective. Next, when it is bijective, it is invertible. This sentence compulsory you have to write in the board exam. Next, finding f inverse. We have to show the f inverse here. That's why I am finding f inverse. Same as previous. Take the function as y. That is y equal to f of x equal to which function? That is 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Okay. Take this. That is y equal to f of x. From this one, send f to this one. That will be f inverse of y equal to x. So x equal to f inverse of y. So it is equation 1. Now take these two values. That is y equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Now we have to convert this one into perfect square. How to convert this one? Already I previously given. That is, we can write this is 3x whole square. That is a square plus I am adding the format is 2ab plus b square. Now here a square and 2 is same. Now what is the a value here? A value is 3x. So 2 into 3x, 6x already got, but we have tried b. That's why I am adding 1. So 2 into 3 into 1, again 6. Now what is the b value is 1. Now we have tried 1 b square also, that is 1 square. So extra term I wrote 1 square. That's why minus 1 square to get cancelled. Next, what is the remaining term is minus 5. Okay. Now here a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a plus b whole square. Now what is the a plus b? That is 3x plus b means 1 whole square. It is minus 1 minus 5. That is y equal to 3x plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 5. That is minus 6. Send 6 to this side. That is y plus 6 equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. From this one, again I am adding here 3x plus 1 whole square equal to y plus 6. Remove the square. Then it will be root. That is 3x plus 1 is equal to root of y plus 6. Send 1 to the side. That is 3x equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 plus 1 will be minus 1. Next, x equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. So it is equation 2 or expression 2. From equation 1 and 2. See here, LHS parts are same. LHS terms are same. Now we can equate the RHS term. That is, here RHS term is f inverse of y is equal to, what is the RHS term is? Root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. That is the f inverse. If you want, you can convert into in terms of x also. That is, how to convert? Just write down in place of y is x. That is f inverse of x is equal to root of x plus 6 minus 1 by 3. This is the finding f inverse, or with f inverse already given, that one we proved.